Welcome to Unsolved Historical Mysteries. The Great Filter Theory: Why do advanced civilizations disappear? Have you ever heard of the Great Filter Theory? It is a concept that attempts to explain why we have not yet encountered advanced civilizations in the universe, even though there should be many. The idea comes from a big mystery. With billions of stars in the universe and countless planets that could potentially support life, why have we found no evidence of other intelligent beings? This puzzling question is known as the Fermi paradox. If intelligent life exists, why haven't we discovered them yet? Could they be hiding, or is there something preventing civilizations from surviving long enough to communicate with us? This is where the Great Filter Theory comes in. The theory suggests that there is a major obstacle, called a filter, somewhere in the process of life, evolving from simple organisms to advanced, spacefaring civilizations. Most civilizations, according to the theory, never make it past this filter. Whether it is because life is extremely rare, or because civilizations tend to destroy themselves once they reach a certain level of technology, something always stops them. The importance of this theory lies in the question it raises. Has humanity already passed the Great Filter, or is it still ahead of us? If we have already passed the filter, perhaps we are one of the lucky few species that have survived. But if the filter lies in our future, it may mean that the greatest dangers for humanity are yet to come. Understanding where we stand in this process could be the key to ensuring our survival. Or it could reveal that we are racing toward a disaster that has wiped out countless other civilizations before us. The biggest question surrounding the Great Filter Theory is, where does the filter occur? One possibility is that the filter lies far in the past, at the very beginning of life's evolution. Life may be incredibly rare in the universe, and we are one of the few planets where it emerged at all. In this case, the filter could be in the step from simple molecules to self-replicating life. If this is true, then Earth might be a rare exception, and we have already passed the hardest obstacle. However, there is another, more unsettling possibility. The filter could be ahead of us, not behind. In this scenario, civilizations may develop advanced technology and reach a certain point before facing existential dangers that lead to their extinction. This could explain why we do not see evidence of alien civilizations. They may have advanced only to destroy themselves through war, environmental collapse, or some unforeseen catastrophe. The filter could even exist at multiple stages. For example, the emergence of complex multicellular organisms might be rare. Or perhaps civilizations fail when they develop powerful technologies, such as artificial intelligence or nuclear weapons, and misuse them. If the filter is ahead of us, this would mean humanity has yet to face its greatest challenge. It suggests that technological progress might come with dangerous risks, and we need to be careful to avoid the fate that may have wiped out other civilizations. Finding the answer to where the filter lies is crucial for understanding our place in the universe. It could determine whether we are on a safe path, or whether our most dangerous hurdles are still to come. Now that we understand the Great Filter Theory, the next question is, what could cause civilizations to fail? There are several possible candidates for the Great Filter, and some of them may already be familiar. One potential cause is natural disasters on a massive scale. Events like asteroid impacts, supervolcanic eruptions, or nearby supernova explosions could wipe out civilizations before they develop the means to defend themselves. These types of cosmic events have occurred throughout Earth's history, and any one of them could potentially lead to extinction. Another possibility is that civilizations destroy themselves through war or environmental destruction. As technology advances, so does the potential for self-destruction. The development of nuclear weapons, for example, presents a real existential risk. A full-scale nuclear war could devastate the planet, wiping out not only human civilization, but also much of life on Earth. Similarly, environmental degradation and climate change could make a planet uninhabitable, if not addressed in time. Yet another potential filter is technological advancement itself. As civilizations develop advanced technologies, they may encounter risks that are difficult to predict. Artificial intelligence, for example, could be a double-edged sword. While it has the potential to revolutionize industries and solve global problems, it could also spiral out of control and pose unforeseen dangers. If not properly managed, other technologies, like genetic engineering or bioweapons, could also have catastrophic effects if misused. The Great Filter might not be a single event or obstacle, but rather a combination of factors. Civilizations might face multiple challenges such as natural disasters, self-inflicted damage, and technological risks that make survival increasingly difficult. As they grow more advanced, each of these possibilities represents a significant hurdle for any civilization. Whether it is something external, like a cosmic event, or something internal, like self-destruction, the Great Filter may be responsible for wiping out countless potential civilizations before they can reach the stars. If the Great Filter lies ahead of us, it is essential to consider how humanity might avoid the fate that could have doomed other civilizations. While the future remains uncertain, there are several strategies that could help us navigate these dangers and survive. One potential solution is advancing our space exploration efforts. By becoming a multiplanetary species, humanity could reduce its risk of extinction. Colonizing other planets or building space habitats would create backups for human civilization. Even if Earth were to face a catastrophic event, colonies on Mars, the Moon, or other celestial bodies might be able to preserve human life and knowledge. Another approach is to focus on sustainability and preventing self-inflicted damage. Climate change, environmental degradation, and resource depletion are major threats that could lead to global collapse. By developing sustainable technologies and adopting more responsible environmental practices, humanity can reduce the risk of these issues spiraling out of control. Protecting our planet's ecosystems is not just a matter of convenience. It could be key to our long-term survival. In addition, managing advanced technologies will be critical. As we develop more powerful tools like artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, and nanotechnology, we must ensure that these innovations are used responsibly. International cooperation, regulation, and ethical oversight will be necessary to prevent these technologies from becoming existential risks. The same technologies that could help solve global problems might also have the potential to destroy us if not properly controlled. Another crucial step is to invest in research aimed at identifying and mitigating potential cosmic threats. This includes monitoring the skies for asteroids, studying potential supernovae, and exploring ways to protect Earth from larger-scale cosmic disasters. While some events, like nearby supernova explosions, might be unavoidable, others, like asteroid impacts, could be deflected or minimized with the right technology. Ultimately, overcoming the Great Filter will require a combination of technological, environmental, and societal advancements. Humanity must become more resilient, more cooperative, and more forward-thinking. If we can manage these challenges, we may succeed where other civilizations have failed and secure a future among the stars. So, what does the Great Filter mean for humanity's future? Are we destined to follow the same path as countless other civilizations? Or can we find a way to survive and thrive? The Great Filter serves as both a warning and a source of hope. If the filter lies behind us, it means we have already overcome the most difficult challenges, and that intelligent life is truly rare. In this case, humanity could be one of the few civilizations to make it this far, with the potential to become a lasting presence in the universe. This would make us exceptionally fortunate, and our next steps would focus on ensuring that we do not undo the progress we have made. However, if the filter is still ahead, then the greatest dangers may be yet to come. This possibility should not be taken lightly. It suggests that the challenges of the future, whether they come from technology, environmental collapse, or cosmic events, may be much more difficult than anything we have faced so far. To avoid disaster, humanity will need to be smarter, more cautious, and more united than ever before. Regardless of where the filter lies, one thing is clear: humanity's survival depends on how we manage the risks we face. Our choices, as individuals and as a global society, will determine whether we thrive or join the long list of civilizations that came close but failed to survive. The future is uncertain, but it is not hopeless. With the right strategies, including space exploration, technological responsibility, and global cooperation, we can overcome the dangers that may lie ahead. Understanding the lessons of the Great Filter can help guide us toward a future where humanity is not only surviving but flourishing among the stars. In the end, our fate is in our hands. Whether we face the filter or have already passed it, the choices we make now will shape the future for generations to come. If we act wisely, humanity might just become the exception in a universe full of civilizations that never made it. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.